When the odds were unequal, determination became a weapon. In the narrow gorge of Orbұлақ, 600 warriors stood against a horde. Not by numbers, but by will.
준비.
Not by fear, but by strategy. And in the night-filled smoke, a legend was born. Of courage stronger than 1,000 blades. But courage did not stand alone. Allies came through dust and fire, strengthening the ranks of the defenders, and the course of history was changed.
For the Kazakh Khanate!